Today I wanted to talk about a bath detox that I've been using lately, and it's been really helping me with my energy level. I wanted to share it with you because energy has everything to do with weight loss. And as a massage therapist working with many clients for many years with their lymphatic systems, I noticed a big difference with their weight once they had their lymphatic systems moving and cleaned up their diet and cleaned up their environments. So there's definitely a connection between living a clean life and weight gain versus weight loss. So today I'm going to talk about how you can detox through the skin. The best way to do that is with a bath. When your lymphatic system is clean and running smoothly, it allows your body to feel safe to use up its stored fat. When it's bogged down and slow, or sometimes at a complete stop, we get diseases, and at best our body will just refuse to use the stored fat because your body thinks it's in crisis mode and it thinks it needs that stored fat for an emergency. So you need to calm your lymphatic system down, calm your nervous system down. If everything is calmed down, your body will freely give up the fat. At least it does for me, and it has in my experience with my clients. A bath detox is nice because it serves double duty in cleaning our lymphatic system as well as giving us a nice relaxing environment for our nervous system to calm down in. It's recommended to do this once a week for, I don't know, I guess minimum 20 minutes, but you can soak, an hour or 2 hours as long as you want. The side effects of a bath detox are pretty noticeable after you've had your first one. You're gonna feel very tired the first day, and a little bit of fatigue could last up to 3 days. It depends on your system and if you've ever had a bath detox before. I used to take them all the time, and after a while, they don't feel like anything. I haven't had one in a long time, and I just started them. So I noticed right after my first one, oh my gosh, I was really tired the next day, and I knew it was from the bath. It felt obvious. It's a different kind of a tired. It's not like a fatigue. It's more kind of like a draining feeling, like you've been drained. I don't know, but it felt good. It almost felt kind of cozy. And so make sure that you do your first bath detox on a Friday night or a Saturday where you have all weekend to just really do nothing. Just kind of give yourself permission to be lazy because you're going to feel lazy. So don't have a bunch of errands to run or a house to clean or, anything like that. After my second bath, I felt tired, but not nearly as much. The key is to drink a lot of water. So just drink a lot of water while you're in the bath, drink a lot of water after the bath, and drink a lot of water the whole time you're recovering. A lot, like a gallon a day if you can. There are some schools of thought that say to do these bath detoxes with lukewarm water. I've tried that. I've done both, lukewarm and hot water. I didn't notice a difference. So I just do them with hot water because I prefer a hot bath. I don't like a lukewarm bath. I'm not going to do them if they're lukewarm. So my philosophy on everything is whatever makes you do it that way. It's my experience and philosophy that paying for these expensive detox products that you consume are a waste of money. I just don't think detoxing really costs much of anything. Your body automatically wants to detox. It's built for it. That's what it does. The less toxins you put in your body, on your body, and around your body, the less work your body has to do to clean it out. The important thing really is just don't put the toxins there in the first place. For the most part, the best way to detox really is through the skin. It is the largest organ in the body, and it gives you a lot more surface area to pull the toxins out with. I have another bath detox I'm going to talk about in a later video, but today is going to be just a very basic, everyday products that you can put in your bath. Super cheap, super easy to get, And I'll include links in the description below for all of these so you can get them if you don't have them already. You can spend $20 and have enough for dozens of baths. The ingredients are baking soda, borax, Epsom salt, and hydrogen peroxide. It smells good, it feels good. The hydrogen peroxide makes it a little effervescent, so every time you move, there's bubbles everywhere. It's kind of nice. This is going to pull the toxins right out of your skin. If you are prone to dry skin, definitely moisturize after one of these baths. I'm putting the recipe below with links for the exact products that you need. And you can try this out for yourself. I'd love to hear in the comments what you think after doing it. Give it about 3 baths before you have a real opinion, because you're not going to feel great after the first one. It's going to make you feel worse. I think after my 3rd one was when I was like, whoa, I actually feel noticeably better. It's definitely worth trying out because it doesn't cost much. If you end up hating it, you can use those products for something else. Give yourself permission to spend an hour in the tub, no kids, no grandkids, no TV, read a book maybe, listen to a book. I love listening to books while I'm in the tub. Or just be alone with your mind. Give your head some space to detox too, because we need that as well. Weight loss is a multi-layered journey. It is not just about doing one thing. It's not about cutting carbs, eating only meat, cutting calories, moving more. It's not one thing. It's a lot of things that you do all together as a lifestyle change. Weight loss needs to be a lifestyle change, not a quick fix. And you have to be committed to never going back to the old lifestyle that got you here in the first place. So enjoy those baths. Let me know how you feel, what you think. I want to hear if other people have the same benefits that I experience from these baths. And enjoy. All right, another pound down, 1 week at a time. Woohoo! Thanks for watching, folks. Thanks for watching to the end. Take care, everybody. I love you all. Have a good week. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.